In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $95,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I will show you step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Twitter. I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link so you can earn commission from today and so much more. So make sure to watch this video because you don't want to miss a lot of information that I will share for free in this video. So let's get started. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $95,270. That's all profit, and it's come just from free traffic and of course a lot of hard work and consistency. Okay, so for beginners who want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community, click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here to Fiverr affiliate website. So what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission and how much you will earn. If we click over here on see commission, it's gonna take you to this page, and as you can see, commission plan over here. If we scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, this is the best profitable affiliate business you can start. Okay, so for me it's really because they are really paying a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this website, this Fiverr affiliate website, click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, that's fine. And you will choose your country. Then you're gonna choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one, and that's it. It's easy and simple. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Twitter, and I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, click on the search for flyer. Okay, search for flyer like this, flyer design or flyer, it's the same. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. So if they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for me, for example, I'm gonna choose this one over here. It's top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, It's gonna take you to this page. I already have this page ready here. To save time, click over here and put this profile seller page link here. Click over here, just click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. If you don't have an account on Twitter yet, it's easy guys, and it's for free. Just go to Google, search for Twitter like this, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. So it will be easy and it will take just few seconds from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on the search for I need flyer. Okay, just search for I need flyer, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here are searching for flyer. This one, I need a flyer made. This one, who makes flyers. I need someone who can edit one ASAP. Okay, so what you will do, a lot of people here are searching for someone to make flyers for them. Okay, so what you will do, you will just click over here on reply. Let's take this person for example, and as you can see, those people over here just posted those posts on Twitter. It's just today. This one, it's just almost 13 minutes ago. Okay, what you will do, click on reply, and you will send a reply to this person with your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, you will copy his title, and I will go back to Twitter. I will paste this title over here. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will go back to Twitter. I will put this affiliate link here like this. I will click on reply. Okay, and my reply with my affiliate link will be sent to this person. As you can see, we are replying to this person who is looking for flyers. We want someone to make flyers for them. So what I will do, I will click on reply, and here you go. Your reply will be sent to this person like this. Okay, as you can see over here, this is my reply to this person. I will do an awesome professional business flyer design. If this person is still looking for someone to make flyer for him, he will check my affiliate link like this. If he click on my affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website in this profile seller page on Fiverr. He will click on continue. He will buy this service from my affiliate link, and they will earn commission. And that it's easy. You don't need to invest any money. You can start this business with $0. Okay, so that's how we can make some good money with affiliate marketing business. Okay, this is my method guys. I share with you my method, and this, as you can see, also it's still working because a lot of people every day, if you come to Twitter and you search for I need flyer, you can find a lot of people every single day searching for I need flyer. Okay, they are searching for flyer designer. If you just click, if you search for I need flyer, you can see over here I need someone to make me flyer right quick. This person, I need me some flyers, I need to finish the flyer, I need some new flyers made. Lots of people here searching for flyers. So if you keep promoting, if you have a new Twitter account, make sure to promote just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day. Okay, so your account will not get banned. Okay, if you keep posting a lot of affiliate links every day, your account can be banned from Twitter. So make sure to post just 3 to 5 and stay consistent. Keep promoting those affiliate links on Twitter. I show you this method. This is my method guys, and it's still, of course, it's still working. As you can see, a lot of people every day are still searching for flyer. I show you, this is the proof. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you have any question. And if you want me to share more services, profitable services that I was promoting to get commission like this. This is a lot of hard work and consistency. If you want me to share all my profitable services with you, just leave it in the comments and I'm gonna share with you all services that I was promoting. I will also show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. And that's it, and see you in my next video.